Let us discuss a problem on AC circuits which came in JEE Mains 2016. So here's the question. An arc lamp requires a direct current of 10 ampere at 80 volt to function. If it is connected to a 220 volt RMS 50 Hz AC supply, then find the series inductor needed for it to work. So let us try to solve this problem. First of all, we will find out the resistance of the arc lamp. The resistance of the arc lamp can be found out using the Ohm's law, which gives the following relation, that is R, that is the resistance of the arc lamp, is equal to V, that is the voltage across the arc lamp, and I, that is the current through the arc lamp. And this is equal to V, from here we can write 80 volts, and the current from here we can write 10 amperes. So this is equal to 8 ohms. Now this arc lamp is connected to an AC source and a series inductor is also connected to the circuit. So now let us try to find out the impedance of the AC circuit. So the impedance of the AC circuit can be written as V, that is the RMS voltage of the AC circuit, upon the I, that is the RMS current through the AC circuit. Now the impedance of the AC circuit can also be written by the relation root over resistance of the arc lamp square plus omega, that is the frequency of the AC source, into the inductance of the series inductor whole square. So now let us substitute this value of impedance into this relation. So we will get root over R square plus omega L whole square equal to V upon I. So this implies that if we substitute all the values we know from the question, then we will get root over R we have calculated here, that is 8 ohm, so 8 square plus omega will be 2 pi into the frequency, so the frequency is 50 Hz, so we will get 2 pi into 50 into, we have to find out the inductance, so L whole square, and this is equal to V RMS by I RMS. So V RMS we know 220 volts and I RMS will be equal to the direct current 10 ampere, so 10 amperes. Now if we try to find out the value of the inductance from this equation, we will get L equal to 0.0648 Henry. So this is the inductance of the series inductor which is required to be connected to the AC circuit for it to work.